Hello, good morning. Jen here from Jen's Jungle. I am in St. Louis visiting family. I haven't been home since last fall, I think it was. So, of course, when I come down here to St. Louis, I have to, of course, check out some nurseries and garden centers. So I'm taking you to Rolling Ridge Nursery this morning. They just opened. It's 9 a.m. So I've never been here before. So I'm excited to take you through and see what they got. It's a beautiful day. So far it looks super cute. I love these old brick buildings. I really hope I find something out of the ordinary here. And today is my plant shopping day, so I am hoping to check out several places today. So far, so good. So cute. Good morning. Oh my god. Yeah, definitely gonna get this one. String of turtles. A full basket of string of turtles. I'm so excited. I already have string of turtles, but not this full. Getting this. Oh, yes. I have no idea how much it is, but I'm definitely getting it anyway. So the owner just told me that I came on a good day because they just got a bunch of shipment in. Oh, I'm going crazy. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. They've got a bunch of whale fins. No, these are shark fins. Ooh, I don't have that one yet. I'm gonna have to get that too. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I believe this is a fried egg. Gorgeous. That is beautiful. Those are huge pothos. Holy smokes, that's huge. That's some huge leaves on that. Bird of paradise, good size. I am so excited. Look how big that is. Oh, we've got some micans, philodendron micans. We have some really great selections here. We've got a Whitney rubber tree, Ficus elastica. And these are Audreys. Ficus Audreys. I love those. Got some Hoyas. Ooh, we've got some Hindu rope. $15. I'm gonna have to get one of these. Hoya obovata. I have one, but I don't know. It's not doing so good. I think I need another. Gorgeous Fiddle Leaf Fig trees. That is ginormous. Holy moly. That is enormous. We've got lots of Birkins. Lots of Birkins here. Ooh, that one's a big one. I love Ponytail Palms. Ooh, that is cool. Anthurium superbum. It's interesting. Got lots of Adansonii. Philodendron McCoy Flame. That's really pretty. I love the color. Philodendron Moonlight. Oh, I love these jewel orchids. Might have to get some of those. That is pretty, that mini monstera. They are so easy. So easy, I love them. Got monstera here. Very cute place. So far, I'm loving this place. So many choices. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Holy moly, yes. What is this? At first glance, I thought it was a Ring of Fire, but it's not. But it's still very beautiful. Got watermelon peperomias. More watermelon peperomias. So beautiful. Got lots of pothos over here. They really do have a lot of selections. They've got lots of cactuses, succulents, Hoyas, pothos, philodendrons. Holy moly. Look at this enormous pink princess. Not for sale, but that is huge. That is a beautiful pink princess.
I know. You found the best one.
Yeah.
I just got here yesterday too.
I love it. You have great selections.
Oh, but like I said, you've got great timing because we just got totally restocked.
Awesome. Lots and lots of choices. So cute. And they also have a section here. Oh, those are pretty. Lots of calatheas.
There's some people at the counter that have photograph questions that I can answer.
They also have a lot of stuff for your plant needs in this other section. This is like a one-stop shop. Like you really just come here and get what you need. They've got baskets and planters. And the plant prices they're not bad. They're pretty average. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get me some of these moss poles. These are not bad prices either. Definitely gonna have to pick some of those up. That is cute. Look at that big bushy Whitney snake plant. Wow, they have so many things here. Wow. Like I said, they have everything you need for gardening, indoor and outdoor gardening here. Lots of pots. Okay, so that is Rolling Ridge Nursery. I've got few things here, but I'm gonna be coming back. I ran out of time. I'm meeting my sister for breakfast. So yeah, very, very cute place. Highly recommend it. Super nice people and lots of selection. All right, I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna go next, and I'll show you that place too.